Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your credit or debit card on eBay. So head over to ebay.com and log into your account. Go to the top left corner and hover on your name right here. Click on account settings. Inside your account settings, find the payment information. Then click on payments. It will now take you to the page to view all the payment methods connected to your account. You'll see a list of saved credit cards, debit cards, bank accounts, PayPal, or any other payment methods that you have used. Find the card that you want to remove. Once you've found it, next to it there should be a button that says something like remove or delete. Click on either one, then a confirmation message will appear. Just confirm the removal. After confirming, the card will be removed from your payment methods list. Once it has been removed, your card is no longer linked to your eBay account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.